eHealth Africa began working in northern Nigeria in 2009, focused on building stronger health systems through the design and implementation of data-driven solutions that respond to local needs and provide underserved communities with tools to lead healthier lives. Our work on vaccine direct delivery has transformed many rural communities in northern Nigeria with a regular vaccine supply from their local health facilities, who normally run twice monthly vaccine clinics for children under 1. In the northern west part of Nigeria, only 67% of people live within 10 kilometers walking distance to a health facility. So it is crucial that this long journey is not a wasted trip for the mothers, so they can receive the essential vaccines for their children to give them the best start in life. Before the implementation of VDD, the facts were very, very bad. The government-run systems meant that 98% of local government areas in Kano experienced regular stockouts on highly used vaccines, including BCG, measles, and yellow fever. This made it very challenging to implement the drive in routine immunization for all children under 1. Vaccines were not readily available in most of the facilities. There was no proper management or accountability of data for the vaccine supplied, and vaccine management was not well organized or properly accounted for by the government-employed staff. EHA's innovative solutions for better vaccine delivery was to develop a Google Sheet to be used on a tablet, which we implemented in 2014 across Kano State. EHA trained the 6 drivers to use the tablet, which allowed them to pick up set number of doses, track supplies of different vaccinations and products as they were out in the field at the different health facilities. EHA also utilized the expertise of their Geographic Information Systems department to use the maps they had developed of Kano State to predetermine the different routes the drivers will be taking, which saved them time and fuel costs. The Google Sheet marked a huge step forward in the VDD process, but there were limitations in this product, which marked EHA's next innovation in developing a custom application which has transformed the whole vaccine delivery process.
Before direct delivery, the drivers used to use the Google Sheet to deliver. They use it to deliver vaccines. We looked at how we're going to improve vaccine delivery, and that's when we came up with direct delivery. What direct delivery does is almost basically the same thing that the Google Sheet does, but better. So what we do is before the release, we carry out usability test. Now, before the usability test, the developers and the software team create an application. They have a vision of how they want the application to work and how it should be and how it will help the drivers. And we believe that's, in our own interpretation, the best way. What we did was, we call it a parallel test. We carry out the tablet with the application, and the driver carries out his Google Sheet, the ones they used to use before, and we go to the field. When we go there, he does his own, key in his own data using his Google Sheet, and I use the application to key in. At the end of the day, I found out by the time I'm finished, he's halfway through his own. Then one of the challenges we have here in especially northern Nigeria here, is network problem. So most of these facilities, or some of these, I would say some, about 50% of them, of the direct delivery facilities. Now, if they don't have network to send in data, what the application does, it sends via SMS.
The software engineer, they told us that as in they want to change the way that we used to deliver our vaccine. They want to change it to the app, because that one will be faster than the Google Sheet that we are using before. You understand? For you spending 20 minutes in the facility, you understand? In the new app, you don't spend 10 minutes. Why the new app that we are using now is far better than the old Google Sheet, because it makes our work faster.
When we started this project, the vaccine delivery project, which involved delivery of vaccines to various LGAs and what, which basically in Nigeria are bad roads. Those are not usually very good. So we came about the idea of how do we expect our drivers to make this delivery on time within the schedule, because rural areas are quite very far to travel to. we found out that making it more interesting, we could develop apps, we could develop routing, telling them where to go to, how to reach this place, when to go there. So what that helps us to do is that it reduces a lot of shortcomings that we usually have with the previous deliveries or previous vaccine delivery. That means we're able to save resources such as time. You know, they cannot travel, they usually get good rest, and also on fuel consumption.
My name is Ibrahim Khalil. I work for eHealth Africa. I'm in logistics department. I delivered vaccine to facilities.
For now, we are delivering vaccines directly to about 390, close to 400 health facilities in the state, across the 6 zones that we have in the state. This is a very welcome development, something we've been doing for the past 14 to 15 months now, and it has significantly increased, tremendously metamorphosized the way vaccines are actually accessed and even their availability in our various health facilities. We are not 100%, but we have been able to reduce unavailability and stock outs by 70-80%. So it's a remarkable development, and we are really glad that we are part of this, which of course was initiated by eHealth.
Ankana bla numuna mogolu, ni bla la numuna yekojuke.